This is question number 5 of GATE 2018 Metallurgical Engineering. Arrange the following in the correct sequence of operations in an integrated steel plant: basic oxygen furnace, blast furnace, Röhrstell, Heroes, degassing process, ladle furnace process. So we have been given 4 different operations in an integrated distill plant, and we have to arrange them in a correct sequence. So to know more about the steel making and iron making processes, you can refer a course on iron making and steel making by Professor Gaur Gopal Roy from IIT Kharagpur. Now, in an integrated steel plant, what actually happens is, like, first of all we try to produce iron, right? Like from the iron ore we try to extract iron, and for that we go for an operation called iron making. And iron making basically happens in blast furnace. So the blast furnace is used for iron making operation, and the output of blast furnace is nothing but our hot metal or liquid iron. So the hot metal which is coming from the blast furnace is now taken to basic oxygen furnace. So basic oxygen furnace output is nothing but our liquid steel. So we produce liquid steel at basic oxygen furnace. So here basically oxidation occurs, right? And in blast furnace basically reduction occur, and their output are basically hot metal and liquid steel respectively. So to make this produced steel more purer, we go for secondary steel making process. So in secondary steel making process, we use this RS degasifier or ladle furnaces. So these two are basically part of secondary steel making process, right? So the first step is to produce hot metal by blast furnace, then it will go to basic oxygen furnace for steel making, that is liquid steel production, and after that we will go for ladle furnace process. So the purpose of this ladle furnace is basically heating, homogenization, desulfurization, deoxidation or alloying of the liquid steel which we produce at basic oxygen furnace. So after that, if we want if we want to produce a very ultra low carbon or gaseous impurity free steel, then we must go for RS degasifier. So basically it's a circulation based degasifier which is used to produce a very ultra low carbon or impurity free steels, right? So this is the correct sequence in an integrated steel plant. So blast furnace for iron making, basic oxygen furnace for steel making, and ladle furnace and RS degasifier are basically secondary steel making processes, right? So this is the correct sequence. So the correct answer for this problem is option D. Thank you.